the products that you are going to cater. Okay? Yan. So, okay na. Yan. So the company profile and our products. So Empower Consumerism, or Fueled by Alliance in Motion Global, was launched March 18, 2006. And it is, our head office is in Pasig City in Ortigas. And this is founded by three gentlemen. Our visionary CEO, President CEO, Dr. Ed Cabantog. He's a doctor by profession. And he invited our two, another founder, Mr. Jana Spirin, and Engineer Francis Miguel. These three gentlemen was distributors from different companies as well. And they come up with an idea to start their own company, which is Alliance in Motion Global. And we launched our campaign, Empowered Consumerism 2019 and Ed Plan 2020. This is designed because of what's happening around the world right now, where everyone is going online because of this situation of pandemic. So this opportunity that we're about to share to you is an opportunity that you can do without leaving your job. So what are the achievements for the past 14 years? So we are already 14 years. Okay, so we gathered a lot of awards from different awarding body, and we are recognized by top companies all around the world as top direct selling compensation plan. I will not focus much of this awards that we have, because I believe if I will explain all of this, it will take us 3 days, because we receive a lot of awards from different awarding body already. But I want to highlight one of them here. We are into 2 Guinness Book of World Record already. Okay, so we are actually holding one of the biggest event in history of Guinness, where we made a biggest human smiley, and then we are also filled Philippine Arena with 50,000 attendees. That we also break another record there. Okay, now next, we are already into 30 countries globally, and we're continuously expanding. In the Philippines alone, we have more than 150 offices. Okay, now what I like about our business is that we have a life foundation, which we help fortunate people, those people affected by calamities, typhoons. Recently, as you all know, we had a super typhoon just hit the Philippines. And just the very next day, our chairwoman, Dr. Connie Cabantog, initiated a fundraising activity so that we can help those people who got affected. And as we speak right now, the activities are still ongoing, the charity is still ongoing. And also by doing, when you want to become part of this business, when you want to start this business as well with us, part of your transactions, some percentage goes to Alive Foundation. So in turn, you're doing your business, you're making money, and then in turn, you're also helping people. So it's a win-win situation, right? Next, we can, yan. So as you may know, we are into distributorship. So you must know who are the manufacturer of our products. So the products manufacturer, we partner with giants in the industry. We have partner in Japan in AMS Life Science Company. We have partner in Wither Nutrition in US. We have partner in DSM in Europe, and we are also, our major partner is Nature's Way. Now, Nature's Way is a more than 55 years in the market already. They have more than 500 to 700 product lines. We have 200 medical doctors, herbalists, and scientists. What I love about Nature's Way is that the high ORAC value. In the next couple of slides, I'm going to explain to you what are the products of our company. But you must understand that we are catering health products, health and wellness products. And since we're talking about health, it's the right timing, it's the right era for you to get involved in this kind of business. As you may know, when the pandemic, every time there's in the generations and a pandemic hits our planet, you know, everything is affected, jobs, businesses, and the first thing that makes us that stop our world, our community is health. So you need to really protect your health, you protect your body. And this recent pandemic that's happening right now, even though you ask any medical doctors, the reason why you get affected quickly is because you have a very low immune system. So you really need to, it's a high time for us to talk about health, okay? Because our body is bombarded with free radicals. So these are the waste products from various chemical reactions in our cells inside our body. And aside from that, outside our body, um, the UV radiation, pollution, poor nutrition, aging, stress, everything all around us is also affecting our body through free radicals. And you cannot stop that. So all you need to do is to increase the immune system of your body by adding more antioxidants. So what are antioxidants? Basically, these are capable of stabilizing or deactivating free radicals before they attack our cells. So even doctors, you know, medical personnel, they will tell you to increase the antioxidants of your body so that you can increase your immune system. Well, the good news about that is that God created us with high antioxidants already. But at the age of 30, the production of oxidants in our body stops, okay, or becomes less. So all you need to do is to eat 5 fruits. Oh no, this is updated already by the World Health Organization. We have to eat 8 fruits and 8 vegetables every day. That is different fruits, different vegetables every day. The questions is that, can you maintain those? So, right, it's very difficult. Number one is budgeting. Of course, time. We are in a generation of time-paced. Everything should move very fast. That's why we eat fast food. We order Grab or Uber. We ordered readily made food, right? It's hard for us to maintain different 8 fruits and 8 vegetables a day. But you know, God created those things, fruits and vegetables, for a purpose, so that we can have a healthy body. Because you know, if you keep eating oily food, processed foods, fast foods, what will happen to you? Your life will become fast as well. Fast food, right? Okay. So that's what happened. That's why you need to have a healthy body. Now, the question is, we cannot maintain that properly. That's why a lot of scientists right now formulated what we call a food supplement. So basically, the function of fruits and vegetables, the minerals, the nutrients that your body need, they formulated into a capsule, into a tablet. Some are into injection form, so that your body can have the right nutrition it needs. That's why it's called food supplement, to supply the nourishment that your body needs that you cannot get from your regular meal or regular food. So I want to introduce to you the C24/7. This is our flagship product. This is one of the highest antioxidants ever in the market that you can find. Okay, it has 22,000 phytonutrients. So for your information, phytonutrients is the measurement of antioxidants of every food, of every um, uh, fruits and vegetables that you're going to take, or even food supplements that you're going to take. So what is the benefit of C24/7? It helps to promote longevity. It lowers cholesterol level. So if you know someone with high cholesterol, so this can really help them. It prevents it enhances, balances metabolism. So this product can help also to reduce weight, okay? Prevents degenerative diseases like arthritis, rheumatism. So if you have very poor joints, pain, back pain, lower back pain, so this can really help you. This product can really help you. It enhances, nourishes, strengthen the balance of immune system. This is what I'm talking about. Since it can help to boost your immune system, once your immune system is high, you have antioxidants in your body, no sickness, no viruses, no bacteria can harm you. Okay, so it increases the production inherent, the glutathione in our body. Glutathione, for your information, for my 42 participants right now, glutathione is the mother of all antioxidants. Your body really need glutathione. The good news is that our body produces natural glutathione through our liver. The problem is that as you age, glutathione production also stopped. Okay, so that's why you need to, as early as 20 to 25 years old, you need to increase through food supplements the glutathione in your body. And through our C24/7, you have glutathione already there. Okay? Rejuvenates the skin. It makes you look younger because it has antioxidant, anti-aging and longevity polyphenols formulated in Japan. Helps to make your cells reverse their aging by up to 10 to 20 years younger. So it will be obvious in your outside look. Okay, so like me, I look like 19, right? 19, 1985. Okay, it promotes healthy blood circulation. may, may patawa pa si detoxify the body, reduces fatigue, depression, anxiety, and enhances sexual vitality. Just for information as well, we don't recommend C24/7 for younger age, like 16 below, or for pregnant women because of the anti-aging formulation. Of course, you don't want to anti-age your the baby inside the mommy's tummy, right? Or the young ones. You want them to grow older. We want them to develop first. So what do we recommend for those people? We have another product. We call it Complete. Okay? So these are the ingredients of C24/7. We have whole fruit, 12 whole fruit, 12 vegetables, 12 green fruits, 12 mushrooms. In Japan, the latest research, we found out that Japanese people is less likely to have heart problem or heart attack, simply because they eat a lot of sushi, which is fish or seafood. They eat a lot of mushrooms. Part of their diet is mushrooms and seaweeds. Okay, so that's why they have less likely to have a heart attack compared to those who are in the Western world, which they have their diet is mostly on burgers, on fried foods, on readily made food, right? Okay, so this is the one I'm talking about, complete phyto energizer, which is you can recommend this for children or pregnant women. Okay, so before I move forward, I would like you to type in our chat box C24/7 so that I know that you are listening, still listening with me. Okay, let me drink my yan. Wow, you're so active, ah. There you are. Thank you. Okay, so what is complete? Complete basically is fruits and vegetables that nutrients. It has what it doesn't have is the anti-aging and the longevity polyphenols that the C24/7 have. Okay, that's why this is very good for children and pregnant women. So it's the same formulation only without the anti-aging effect. Okay, so you can take a screenshot of this. This is the 100 uses of the SIG 24/7 and complete. So you can just screenshot so that if you want to get started with this business, you at least can explain this to your clients, patients, or customers. All right, so these are some pictures, testimonies that we took a screenshot from YouTube. So you can just go to the YouTube later on if you're still having a doubt. We have thousands of testimonies available on YouTube. Okay, from different nations, different countries, different age. Guys, sickness, it's not choosing any age, profession, educational background. No, once you get hit, right? So yeah, health is wealth. That is what we're always. I saw a lot of people who are posting that health is wealth. It's true. Health is very important. The question is, what are you doing to take care of your health, right? Even you're the most richest person in the planet, but once you get sick, okay, all your wealth is useless. So take care of your health. There. Okay. So I will just skip to the next slide now. I will not take so much of your time. I will just explain a few more products, and then we have 36 products all in all within our company. But I will just focus on what's in line of what's happening right now in the world. So these are the products that you really need to take regularly. And then the rest of the products, we have a separate training for the in-depth product training. So in case you want to learn more, you want to get more knowledge about this, you attend a different session for our product. So complete Phyto Energizer, or just write incomplete. So I know you're listening. We have 43 attendees. Only few people are typing. Okay, there you are. All right, 3, 4. I'm counting. Okay, the next product is called iProtect 24/7. I am wearing it right now. This is called iProtect 24/7. So what it does is that this is the carrier, and inside is the product iProtect 24/7. It has a 30 years clinical research. Basically, it creates a barrier of protection that disintegrates polluted particles, bacteria, and viruses. It has patent in Japan and double patent in the US. So meaning it really works. So basically, you will have an invisible fume around you that when somebody cough or sneeze around you, you're protected because the bacteria or the viruses will die in seconds. Okay? Aside from the face mask, in the Philippines, we have to wear extra protection, which is the face shield. So aside from that, you will have more confidence that you will not get affected because you're wearing iProtect 24/7, which infused with energy, which is anti-radiation. Now, this is the problem. Nowadays, even the government is recommending everyone to stay at home, do work from home, study at home. So at the front of their computer, of their tablet, of their devices. So nowadays, we are now bombarded with frequency from radiation, Wi-Fi, radio frequency around us. So we cannot prevent or not, it's there already. So we have a product we call the Energy, which is an anti-radiation sticker that you just stick on the phone. And we infused one of our pendant with energy as well, so that you're wearing it, anti-radiation, antibacterial, and antiviruses. One of the product that you should always take regularly is we call Choleduz Omega Supreme. But before that, I want you to type I Protect in our chat box. Okay, so that I know you are still with me and you're updated. Yan. I Protect. There. Nice. Thanks so much. Yan. Okay. So, Choleduz basically, this is omega-3 fish oil. And, you know, I know a lot of people who are always telling me, Even when I was still working as a fitness coach, I always recommend fish oil to my client. Why? Because even medical doctors are telling us that we have to take fish oil. Even for the next 25, 30 years of continuous taking of fish oil, it will not harm our body because it is really, really good for our body. And I already did my own research to this. I don't know about you, but you cannot find in the market like Colidus because Colidus, we have the highest omega-3 content in our product, this Colidus. Other product, they have a fish oil, but they use cod liver oil or shark oil. But the problem with this two fish that they found in the ocean, they are found to be contaminated with mercury, and we all know that mercury is a poison. It cannot be removed from our body. Okay, and what we use in our Colidus is we use tuna and sardines. And you all know that these two breeds of fishes can only be found at the bottom of the ocean, which very less likely to be affected with poison. Okay, there's not much pollution at the bottom of the ocean. And if you check our Colidus, it has the highest DHA with 50% content of DHA. What is DHA? Docosahexaenoic acid is good for the brain, is memory enhancer, is brain booster. And it has 20% EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, which is good for your joints and inflammations, muscle inflammations, and some of your organs. So this is really good for your body. So yan, for my 46 participants, can you chat in Colidus so I can move to the next product? Yan. I hope you guys are learning from this presentation. Yan. 3. I'm counting. I actually count who are chatting so that I know you are still listening. Oh, okay. Okay, that's enough. All right, that's so good. Okay, so the next product is Restore Life. So if you remember my explanation about the C24/7, we have an anti-aging formulation. So we have a separate product with pure anti-aging formulation. We call it Restore Life. The main ingredients is resveratrol. So it is formulated in the US. So this is high. It sells a lot mostly in the Western countries because they really want to look younger and live longer. They want that to look younger, live longer, healthy, right? So it doesn't matter if you will live 100, 200 years as long as you're healthy. But if you will live even just for 90 years, but you're always sick, it's useless. You will not enjoy life, right? We have also Betamax, which is it helps to dilate your blood vessels. So you'll never know if you've got blockage in your heart or in your brain vessels, arteries. If it's in the heart, it pops, boom, or heart attack. If it's near in your brain, it pops, boom, brain stroke. So by taking Vitamax, it helps to dilate up to 62% of your arteries dilation. So if some blockage is there, at least it can help the blood to flow freely. We have also KD 24/7. So this is what we give to our kids because we don't want to, because normally kids, they don't like to drink supplements or eat supplements because they think it's a medicine. But through our KD 24/7, it helps us to give them fruits and vegetables at ease because this is in a candy form. They really love this. But don't give too much because it can make them really, really hyper. Okay, we have also Burn Slim, Body Under Right Nutrition Slim. This can help us to reduce weight. It's an appetite suppressant. Okay, and it helps to burn fats as well. Combined with the program, workout program, proper diet, and proper rest, then this you really can have a 90 days fast losing, weight losing result. Okay, we have also White Light, which is this is the glutathione I'm talking about. But the good news about glutathione, this is a sublingual spray. We also have Perfect White, which is L-cysteine peptide, 3 to 5 times more potent than glutathione. We have also Liven coffee, which is alkaline coffee, the first of its kind, alkaline coffee. A lot of brands already copied this, but we are the first one to launch an alkaline coffee, which we mix complete on it. Meaning you're just drinking coffee, you're already taking the food supplement complete. We also have My Choco, chocolate drink for kids, which we can give fortified with DHA, you know, the docosahexaenoic acid for kids, brain booster, memory enhancer. Okay? Not only for kids, for those people who think that they are just still a kid, you can also take this. We also have a toothpaste, which we mix complete on it, so that while you're brushing your teeth, your gums is absorbing the nutrients. Okay? And this is all natural. It has no fluoride because the latest research shows that fluoride is cancerous. So continuous use of a fluoride toothpaste can really be harmful to our body. We also have a natural feminine wash, masculine wash for our private part. It has negative ion in it, so it has an anti-aging, antibacterial effect. We have also natural sensor soap, award-winning soap, super brand as well. Few weeks when we release this, we receive a lot of awards in Asia. And we have a lot more products. So this is what I'm talking about, the energy that you can see on your screen. It's a sticker that you can attach on your phone. And then we have also iProtect Home. It's a it has a broader range of protection. We have also Care Lift, which is a patch for your body pain. We have also new UH2, a spray, normal water you put in that bottle. You spray in your face, in your skin. It can give you an antioxidant water. We also have Ultra H2, which is a drinkable molecular hydrogen water. It's a container, a device that you put your normal water. You press that button, it will convert the normal water into highly antioxidant water. Okay, that you can just bring this anywhere. And the energy pendant. Okay, so that's it for my part. We have also, of course, the natural essentials. We have the coffee scrub. Guys, this is not a drinkable product. Maybe you're seeing here coffee strawberry. This is coffee scrub, coffee flavor for those people with open pores. And we have a strawberry scrub for those people with tight pores. We have also instant white, which can give you a UV protection, especially when it's too hot. We have an antioxidant, anti-aging oxygen bar. All right. So again, I will not take so much of your time. The next presentation will be presented by one of our guest speakers we invited here. She is part of the top 500. But before I introduce him, I want to ask everyone in this room right now, did you learn a lot because of this product? Did you learn a lot from my presentation? Oh, are you still there? Yan. Yes, Coach, I learned a lot po. Thank you, Sumaya. Thank you. Oh, wow, sunod-sunod na pala. Medyo there's a little bit delay of my signal, but yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so since I'm done with my product presentation, the next speaker I'm going to introduce, let me just stop my share screen. The next speaker that I'm going to introduce is one of the finest speakers that we have in our company. She is, a pretty lady. Okay, one of the millionaire herself. Of course, if there's a powerful product, then you can do a very good business out of it. And no one can explain how to become a millionaire in this company. Of course, you have to listen from the millionaire herself. Okay, she's part of the top 500 of the company. Let's all give a virtual clap. Let's all welcome Miss Julie Ann M. Empiric. Yay!
Epic.
All right, thank you very
Yay.
much, Coach. Okay, hello everyone, hello world. So while waiting for, of course, let's give a virtual clap also for a wonderful product presentation done by our mentor, Lester. While waiting for him to approve my co-host permission, please, so I can share my slides. All right, so hello everyone. I can see different people coming from different places here. I can see people from UK, Africa. I saw earlier not just UAE but also like KSA. Yeah, all right. So hello everyone. And also, I'm very sure you have enjoyed the product presentation, and I will be the one in charge for our marketing plan. So as Coach Lester said earlier, if we have a good product line, that means the business is good and good for running. So if you are here right now and you're interested to know more about the business, this is the right opportunity that you can learn more. Okay, so can I ask to make me a co-host, please? Thank you very much. All right, so while waiting, I'd like to greet people who are here right now. Our guest, I guess, we have Brother Kingsley. All right, Sister Haja. Okay, I can see a lot of people. Sister Sunita, Brother Chalo. I guess these are not others are not member. Chiani. Oh, I like that kind of word, Chiani. Oh, all right. So I guess we're good. All right. So for you to be able to know more about me, allow me to share first a short video so that we will be on the same page, and I'll show you for just 2 minutes time how empowered consumerism or how AIM Global changed my life.
Here in Empowered Consumerism. Julie Ann Empik, she's the Royal Empress.
I'm together with my business leaders from Africa.
So I took the risk by joining her team and starting this business.
Just like my upline project to them because things are happening here.
My sister, our leader of JD branch in the Philippines and globally.
One of the leaders here in our organization, Julian, just believe in her.
If it happened to Coach Julian, it can also happen to you.
Join in Julie, so your life
of course, the team that I'm representing right now is the team where, together with Coach Lester, Coach MJ here, and the rest of the team in UAE, we will be the one to help you on achieving your goals here in our business. So if you really like what happened to all of those earners who are earning good in this business, then see my presentation right now, because I will take you to the greatest presentation and opportunity, the secret how we have managed to earn big here in our business. So are you ready? If you type I am ready in the comment box so that we can get up and running. All right, so I am ready. All right, I'm seeing everyone typing I am ready now. Allow me to share my screen. Welcome to the greatest wealth transfer of the history in humankind. The empowered consumerism aim global now here in United Arab Emirates. Guys, the best part of our program, because even though there are global crises we have been experiencing right now, we are still up and running and doing this business consistently, and we have been creating a lot of results even during those pandemic, and this is the right timing, so you can do the same. Regardless, there are unemployment rate happening worldwide, there are a lot of people who are declaring bankruptcy. This business will make you economic proof and also crisis proof and pandemic proof, of course. So as per Bill Gates said, if your business is not in line on the internet, then your business can be out of business, and that is actually happening with a lot of businesses out there. People who did not engage their business online, they have their actual establishment, but they don't have a backup online. They have been affected and had a lot of not happen to us, because we have our office there in UAE, and we also have our backup online support system that is very effective. Just like right now that you are at the comfort of your home, you are able to listen to us, then that means you can do this business wherever you are. When you use the E-Plan 2.0 or Economy Driver Plan, UAE presentation. So our campaign is to make sure that you can drive your own economy. Even if there are corruptions happening in different parts of the world, you can drive your own life. You can create your own income without depending on any economic problems or without hindrance outside factors. In this new normal, you are in control, and we have the plan for that. And that plan is the Economy Driver Plan. This is the most faster and bigger and better plan, so that you can finish this 2020 stronger and wiser. And if you are ready, let's continue. So how will you do this ED Plan 2.0? First is you can do it part-time. For sure, a lot of people right there watching right now is wanted to have more so that you can see. Those have not, who doesn't have work can do this full-time, and you are the boss in here. For example, on my case, I can do this business even at the comfort of my home. Right now, I'm here in my condo unit, but I can still manage to do business, and I can still earn even at home. That's the advantage. And this does not require any degree. So no matter you're a college graduate or not, and there are the age qualification is very easy. My nephew and even those young children can be registered in here, as long as their parents can qualify them, because the security of this business is this is a family business. So all of the members of your family don't need to be an expert to start. You just need to start and learn along the way, and you will be expert together with the system we have prepared. We don't have much overhead expense. Maybe you need to have rentals and space that you need to pay so that you can make the business run. This is the highest platform, highest paying platform that we are giving much service, and also we are giving pay even if you don't have actual space and rentals, because we even have an office in it that the company is the one paying for it, but you are maximizing it. And business permits are business permits of your own, and the inventory is ready in your distributor structure. Everything is already prepared. So the most important thing here, you will not have a lot of headaches, because you will be starting a business that is already ready and that is already established. So you just need to follow the existing system that the business has. Okay, now if you will be asking me, all right, I would like to explain to you the ways of earning in this business. In ED 2.0 in UAE, we have more than a lot of earnings, but these are some of those earnings and incentives that we are enjoying. Retailing bonus, direct referral bonus, match sales bonus, unilevel bonus, stair-step, Unipay plan, global profit sharing. These travels and gift certificates are an add-on. Imagine you are just earning in at least the first three topics, so that because this first three is your building stage, the moment you have managed to start up with these three and master these three earning potentials and also these three ways to earn, the rest of it, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 will just follow easily, because the first three is the only thing you need to master, and the rest will just come into place. So let's start with retailing bonus. If you have seen how good the products are, how good the effects of it, and also how many people we have helped because of our product lines, then good thing you can be able to offer it to people. You have and you can be entitled retailing price and distributors price discounts by the company the moment you become a member. So these product lines, we have two prices that we offer: the distributor's price and the retailing. A good seller, you can sell 25 to 50% profit coming from the products, or if you buy it in the office, you can have 25 to 50% discounts, and this is lifetime, guys. So there are no renewals time. So let's just say, for example, the distributor's price of C24/7 is $34 US. Right? So the distributor's price is $34 US. The retail price that you can pay, you can give to other people if someone will be asking for it, is $45 US. That is the 30 capsule box of C24. Now you will be having a profit of $11 US per pack or per box. So imagine if you have 10 regular customers who maintains the product or uses the product for their health and for their security, then you will be earning $110. If you have 100 customers along the way who keeps on buying it, then you will be enjoying $1,100 US profit from it, and there are no quota. So there are no requirements that you need to sell this specific number of boxes per month, because this is just a one way of earning, because we know there are people who really love selling. But the good news is we are not just focused on selling alone. So if you are just like us, that we also do referral bonus system. For example, this is you is me. For example, I'm you. let's just say you know people who wanted to do the business, or you have people in mind who are looking for an opportunity for a sideline income, a side project that they can earn. So you can invite them to this system to listen in this opportunity to learn how to do this. And the moment you have invited, let's just say you have your friend whom you have invited to attend in this Zoom meeting, Ibrahim and Fatima. So the moment that you have invited them and they decided to join the business, they decided, okay, I'll start up the business and give the capital for it to start, then you will be earning $14 each people that wanted to sign up under your referral. Okay, so that is very clear. Now, the best part is we will not limit you to only few or two people that could do the business with you. We can have as many people you like. So regardless, it is additional 2, additional 10, or 100 of people that would like to sign up under you, there's no problem. We will keep on giving you $14 each of them the moment they decided to do the business with you and start this business in our company. Now, the best part is even if the company have given you the referral bonus, there will be another earning potential that will activate automatically, and that is the match sales bonus. The match sales bonus is very simple. The moment you have people that are already joining you, we will just organize 2 teams, at least minimum of 2 teams under your team, the left team and the right team. So the company formula here is very simple. If there is an account or new person who joins the business that is registered under your left team, and there's another one who will be registered under your right team, aside from the $14, if they are your direct referral, then you will be having additional earning. This is for UAE marketing plan, United Arab Emirates. So we have different compensation plan depending on which country are you located. So if you are in UAE, you will be earning $23 per match. So imagine guys, you have been given $14 as a referral bonus from the direct person you have talked to about the business. You have given another $14 for Fatima. Now the best part is, when there is a match sales bonus, you will be earning on top of that referral, which is the $23 in addition. So if you add it up, you will be having $51 already. 14 plus 14 plus 23. So how good is that? And this is different from selling. So we have finished the selling part earlier. This is just sharing the opportunity to others, just like what we're doing. Imagine if we do this in another schedule, be it like Tuesday and Thursday next week, and you have people that will come here in the presentation and will like this, you will earn that one the moment you registered, and you have people registered under you. So let's just I'll give you an imagination of what will happen the moment you start doing this match sales bonus system. Ibrahim would like to earn just like you. Of course, who doesn't want to earn $51 anyway, right? So what if Ibrahim also have 2 people who would like to join him and decided to pay for the registration for them to be able to come on board? What if Fatima did the same? Then both of them will earn the same earning that you do. That only means this is a fair business, because if Ibrahim did the same thing you do, looking for at least 2 teams, or for the first 2 people that joins him, and Fatima do the same, then they will earn the same earning that you have earned, which is $51. So they are the one who will be getting the $14 this time, because they are the one who have referred people to come on board. So probably these people under Ibrahim and Fatima, you may not know them anymore. They probably are the colleagues of Ibrahim and Fatima, or maybe the co-workers or the neighbors of them. You may not know them, but they will be earning because of that. because of you, of course. Now, the best part is what will happen to you. Even if they have earned here, since they are under your team and your organization, you will earn as well. So how much will you be able to earn? Again, since there is a left and right team that have joined you, another one person on the left and one person on the right, you will be earning additional 23 US dollars. So another left and right, you will be earning additional 23 US dollars, making you earn additional 46 US dollars coming from your team below you. You just help them start their business and help them learn the business, and you will continuously earn coming from them. So you have already gained 97 US dollars from these people already, without talking about those selling part. So let's continue. 97 US dollars, and these people decided to do the business the same thing you did. They have also invited and referred people under their team. Imagine that. They will also earn 51 US dollar each, just like you. That's the first level, but you will keep on earning 23 US dollars, 23 US dollars, and 23 US dollars, making you earn additional 189 US dollars coming from this, and this will keep on earning, this will keep on growing. Your team will keep on growing as you will be earning maximum of 368 US dollar per day. And I tell you guys, this is very possible because with whether you like it or not, people would like to share an opportunity that they will help other people earn, or they will help other people change lives, or maybe they will help other people address their financial or health needs. I have experienced that because I have leaders in Africa, in Europe, in USA, and also here in Asia, whom I didn't personally know them, but they were referred by those leaders that I personally know, until it became a huge team under me, and I cannot stop that from happening. And you too, why will you stop this huge organization from doing the business if you know it will really help them? Right? So the 23 US dollars is a blessing because you have given chance to change people's life through your, through your inspiration and through the business that you're offering. And in the other part, you will be earning as well. So if we continue, all right, I like the earnings. Now, these are the some of the expansions that we do. We expand in Dubai, we expand in Abu Dhabi, we expand in different parts of the world. And the best part is Coach Lester, Coach MJ, they are there to support you. So we have our office up and running. You can go, and you can also have your personal mentor that will guide you the moment you do this business. Whoever invited you in this Zoom meeting right now, make sure you go back to them, because they will be the one to assist you with the step-by-step process on how you will be able to come on board. Now, the question is, if I continue doing that and I continue to have 2 people come on board one by one and also help them build the team under them, this will be the potential income that you will be having. So you will be earning 23 US dollars, 46, 92. If you add it up and you can just follow the formula, the maximum potential income you will earn in just a small time is 12 months. If not, you will be deciding when will you finish each level. But you will be earning 70,633 US dollar. In that number of helping those people at least have their first 2 people, and then if you can manage to have more than 2, imagine how big your earning will be, because this is just the lazy formula of having at least 2 people. If you know more than 2 people, then you are very blessed, because you will be earning bigger than that. Okay, so how to start? Now I know how to earn, I know how the business runs, I know how big the business can give and benefit me. How to start this business? So first is, since this is business, we require capital for joining. And because this business is a tangible business, even if we have online support system, we make sure that you will receive something out of your registration or capital. So again, this business is very cheap comparing to those traditional business that other people are doing. They need rentals, they need expenses, they have car, they need to pay for the monthly bills for the city, water, and so on and so forth. And you need to pay for your people. But in here, imagine, you will be starting with minimum $135 capital. And from that $135 capital, you will be having the products worth 215 return of investment products. So you either sell it, you can either consume it, so that you will know how the product is in your body, so it will be easier for you to tell to people how good the product are. Now, the best is you have lifetime discount, you have business kit. So the business kit is like a booklet where all the products and the company details are there. So from it, we have training online. This is not just the only meeting we have. We have online trainings, we have offline trainings conducted in our offices, and you will be having your distributors tracking center. What is the distributors tracking center? Since we are expanding in more than 51, we make sure that you can monitor your income and what happens to your business every day. So how will you be able to monitor that? Of course, you will be given a username and password. You can see your username and password just like that, and then the moment of sign in, you can see all those details, transactions, if there are people who come on board, or if you have bought a product and you wanted to see how much you have gained from it, you will see it all in our website. If you don't know how to work it out, the website, your personal mentor who have invited you here will be the one to assist you. I have some leaders, I'm the one who personally assist them in their website, from the encoding and everything, just to make sure that they can have this business up and running. Now, I already explained to you the $135 capital the moment you start the business. That is one account. If you would like to give me, if you would like me to give you additional tips on how you can make it faster in this business, just like I did. I started this business 2 years ago, last May 2018. And in the span of 2 years, I became Millionaire Circle, Car Achiever, and an international marketer who happened to go in different places because of this business. And how did it happen in the short period of time? Because of this specific secret that I will be telling you. Right? Secret is multiple accounts. So what are multiple accounts? If you have seen, like just say McDonald's restaurant, KFC, or whatever restaurant, like 300 are net income per day, that will be good, right? But just like other fast food restaurants that are very famous and very rich right now and wealthy, they have expanded that they don't allow, they only have one branch. They have different stores in different locations, and they are earning from that different stores and branches, right? So the best part of our program is we have multiple accounts by allowing you to have multiple stores, which will earn minimum of maximum of $368 per account or per store. Let's just say you bought one account. One account is that $135. You have received already the benefits that I have discussed earlier. The products, the DTC, the trainings, and also all those stuffs that I have explained. The best part is it is accompanied with an account where I have explained earlier, you are enjoying the earning of referral and pairing bonus. Now, the best part, you have seen Ibrahim and Fatima earned also, just like you. Am I right? What if you will be taking over the slot of Ibrahim and Fatima? So this will be just like this one. Will be your earning, because you have decided to open not just one account but 3 accounts in the company, so making you earn 3 times fold, because you will be earning $51 each, just like Fatima and Ibrahim have earned earlier year, right? So imagine you will be continuously earning $368 per account, making it 3 times. So you will be earning maximum of $1,104 per day because of the 3 accounts. And how much you will be investing for it? You will just pay $405. Are you getting me? So imagine this, guys. You can choose by starting small and earning small, or you can choose by starting big and earning big the fastest way possible. I decided to be in the first group, and I decided to do it faster, and here I am right now. 3 accounts, and the best part is we can exit it more than that. 7 accounts can be possible. By starting 7 accounts, you can earn $2,576 per day. And the maximum potential accounts that you can buy in the company is the 15 accounts. For me, 15 accounts was the turning point of my career, because when I did 15 accounts in the company, I paid one the best part is I have disposed, and the best part is $520 already. So imagine that big earning that you will be getting just because of starting this. So $2,000 is a small capital. Looking at the big return of investment and the lifetime earning that you will be enjoying in the company. So if you really would like to know my advice in this one, you start with the 15 accounts, because if you are really serious to make your dreams happen, then make sure you commit to the higher earnings so you can have bigger return. Because right now, the fact that you are here in this conference and you are here in this Zoom meeting is also an answered prayer. For sure, a lot of people are looking for hope. Where is hope right now when a lot of people are suffering outside? A lot of people are praying for something to happen to change meds or products that can help them regain, doesn't have financial and time freedom, and would love to enjoy for once the life that they would love to have, to travel around without worrying if your boss will fire you, to eat in fancy restaurants without worrying about how much the bill will gonna be, without worrying if you will be unemployed anytime soon because of the shaky economy, without worrying going bankrupt because of your traditional business that is not really working right now. Congratulations, because you are here right now. Because this is the beginning of the new wave where the business of empowered consumerism and also the AIM Global UAE will give you the life you more than deserve. You are the creator of your own destiny, my friend. So your decision today will make your future. So if you decide to change your decision right now and to do this AIM Global UAE program that we are offering, especially this is updated right now, then you will earn big in here. So, and lastly, this is AIM Global UAE, and I'll tell you, in here with God and with Alliance in Motion Global, everything is possible. If it happened to me, if it happened to Coach Lester, if it happened to Coach MJ, and to the rest of the team in UAE, then this will happen to you for sure. That's it for me. Thank you very much. Back to you, host.
Yes, thank you so much. Sister Julie Ann. Yes, it's very, very inspiring and full of energy. All right, thank you, sister. Now, are you guys excited? Are you guys very get motivated and inspiring, you know? So that I would like to, for the last our share, so we're almost done actually. So I would like to give you some motivation for some one of our top leader and top 9 in UAE. We are so very lucky. All right. For those who are here in the meeting room, Zoom meeting, shout out to all our newcomers. And of course, the person who is my one of my mentors, shout out to you, Mr. Alak Pahita. All right, now I'd like to call one of the, like I said, top 9 in UAE. All right, she's the one will share her background. Let's, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to meet Mrs. Michelle.
Thank you, Coach MJ. Thank you so much. Guys, how are you doing all? Okay, so thank you to Coach Julie. I was so inspired about your presentation. It was so clear and it was so great presentation. Me alone, I've learned a lot. It's like, you know, seeing your presentation, it's like I want to buy another 7 account. It was so nice. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm so happy to see you here. We almost get 55 attendees today, and I hope everybody is good right now while you are sitting at your home right now and learning, and then opening your mind to see this kind of opportunity. It's like another gate for you to become successful. Okay, so just to give you a little bit background of myself, and of course, I just want to inspire you, especially those people here in UAE. I know most of the attendees right now, 90% of attendees right now is in UAE, or it's actually in Middle East. Am I right? Can you say, or can you type 1 if you are actually abroad or in abroad right now, like UAE, Bahrain, Qatar, Kuwait? Yeah, can you type 1 if you are outside the Philippines, or even yeah, thank you guys, thank you. Okay, so I hope you are all inspired. Just give you a little bit background of myself, so at least you can be more inspired about it, about the business. The product is so good. The marketing plan, it's really amazing. The people who presented the products, Coach Lester, it was so clear. It was so amazing. I've learned a lot, even though we always talk together. I've learned every day whenever I actually watch your presentation. Coach MJ, thank you so much. It was so energetic hosting. I really appreciate you. And of course to Coach Julie, it's my first time to talk to you or with you, but I've learned a lot, so much. Yeah, so just give you a little bit background of myself. So those people, especially here, just to show you how I started the business. Okay, so who among you knows Emirates Airline? Can I see the can I see or can you type number 2 if you know Emirates Airline? Yeah, can you type number 2? Of course, everybody ride a plane, right? Or not even you're not riding Emirates Airline, most probably you know Emirates Airline. Ladies and gentlemen, I am working in Emirates Airline right now. Even though when I started the business Alliance in Motion Global, I work in Emirates Airline and until now. Yeah. So when I started the business, I was so negative about it because I was like thinking that, you know, I don't need this business anymore. Guys, can you see my slide? Can you type number 3? Can you type 3 if you can see my slide so I can continue? Okay, I can see that. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so when I started the business, it's so funny because when someone invited me in this business, I was like thinking I'm already successful because I'm working in Emirates Airline. I have a good salary. I can travel all over the world. Because the one who are presenting me the business, she said, Mitch, you can travel all over the world because the company is giving it for free. So I said, I'm not really convinced about it because I'm working in Emirates Airline. I can travel all over the world. And then after that, she said, you can make more money, more than your salary. So I said, okay, let me just check that. At first, I'm so negative. I don't want to hear about it. But, there is a saying, if you are a person who are praying for change, God will give you that. Do you believe on that? Yeah. So when my upline presented me the business, my sponsor, I really don't want it. But when they presented me, I got so inspired because the person who presented the business or even the marketing plan is a barista by profession. His name is Joel Galban. This man is earning 1,500 dirham salary in UAE, and I'm earning 10 times maybe than that. So I said, but this guy, Joel Galvan, he's earning more than 10,000 dirham in this business alone. So I said, if this guy made it, definitely I can do it. Correct? So what happened is, I actually humble down myself. I say, upline, please teach me. Joel Galvan, please teach me on how you did it. Because I really want to make money, you know, doing like this, like online. I really want to make money apart from my salary. So I joined the business without knowing anything. Anyway, guys, I don't know network marketing because my job in Emirates Airline, I was in the capacity control. I was in the logistic department. So I have to make sure that the cargo will fly fully loaded. Yeah, so I actually sell space of the aircraft. That's my job. It's really far different from network marketing. Alliance in Motion Global is far better, of course, than Emirates Airline. So what I did, I asked my upline, please teach me. He said, okay, let's do the business. I joined the business without knowing anything. I didn't even know how to sell. And the way I talk right now, it's not the one, or this is not my situation even before when I started. I don't even want to talk to people. I don't want to talk to stranger. Yeah, but my upline said, if you really want to make money and if you really want to become successful in this business, you have to talk and talk and talk and talk. So I started doing that. After I joined the business, I did the business very, very seriously, but no one joined. Okay, so it's so sad because I was like thinking, when I joined the business, after 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, someone will believe me. But unfortunately, no one believed me after doing the business religiously, seriously, and wholeheartedly after 6 months. No one joined in. Ladies and gentlemen, I was like thinking, this business is not mine. It's not for me. I think this is not my line. Because imagine this. I'm beautiful. I thought to myself, I'm not ugly. People are saying no to me. And then, of course, my upline motivated me, my upline guided me. And thank God, glory to God, because I have a people who guided me along the way. We did the business, even though I'm not making money, 6 months, 1 year, even I'm not making any money. But guys, ladies and gentlemen, after few months, like almost 1 year, that's the start of my career in the business. So there is a saying that it doesn't matter how you go for, it doesn't matter you go slow or you go fast, as long as you keep on moving. Do you believe on that? This is what I did. I never stopped doing the business even though no one is believing me, because I know I believe in myself. I believe that I can do it. Okay, even though my parents, even though my siblings, even though even my husband doesn't believe me. Imagine, you know it's like, I told to my husband, if you will not believe me, we better get divorced. But of course it didn't happen. I keep on doing the business. I keep on pushing myself, doing the business for how many like years. 1 year no one is believing, and after 1 year, guys, ladies and gentlemen, someone believed me. Someone actually came and then come, do the business together with me. This is Fred. He's my first direct. After that, of course, we continue doing the business. I expand my business globally, especially in UAE. This is my leaders in UAE right now. of course, doing the business together with my upline, Joel Galban, Coach Lester, a very supportive upline, a very humble guy who actually supported us, especially those training that we have attended in the business or in our group. This is my Nigerian leaders. Yeah, so we expanded in Alain, in Fujairah. So those people who knows this, these Emirates are all part of Emirates or UAE. We expanded here. And then after that, I have also group in the Philippines. Those group that I have in the Philippines, since I'm here in UAE, I never met these people when I started. I just talked to them through Facebook. And then after talking to them on Facebook, they expanded. They are actually expanded for 1 year. They expanded more than 700 people. Imagine, guys, I only met this one person in Facebook, but they are like more than 700 people right now, of course, growing and growing. We have also a training, or we have this training system in our group, which is headed by my partner, my upline coach, Lester Boisilio, and of course my team. This is how I started. Of course, at the back of this success that I have right now, I have my grand upline, which is Joel Galban, who supported us very, very well. Yeah, imagine this, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, it's very difficult. Oh, I have here, just shout out to one of my leader here. She's here in the Zoom meeting right now, Heidi. Yeah, so upline Heidi is here. So this is she. We actually do the business. We expanded globally in Sri Lanka, in Zambia, of course. So this is how we transport the package through DHL. Okay. So imagine this, different people, different kind of motivation. Right now, I am building right now. This is Mr. Abdullah. He is one of my leader in Kenya. And then this is Bashir. He is one of my leader in Sudan. Ladies and gentlemen, I just talked to them. I just met them through Facebook and WhatsApp. And now they are one of our growing, or my growing team. Okay, so after doing the business, of course, this is my husband. He is very negative before. We almost divorced. Or we don't have divorce, it's annulled. But right now, he is doing the business full time. Okay, he actually resigned in his job after he become open-minded in this business. As I told you, I didn't make money for 1 year. After 1.5 years, I make huge money, and we actually have our own first achievement in AIM Global after 2 years doing the business. Can you give a virtual clap on that? Just virtual clap for the achievement that we have in Alliance in Motion Global, or Economy Driver Plan. Can you give a virtual clap, ladies and gentlemen? Okay. Thank you for that. So this is my first achievement after 2 years, of course. After 1 year again, meaning to say after 3 years of doing the business, I established my own traditional business. It's a vulcanizing shop and tire supply in the Philippines, in Caloocan. And then of course, after that, we did the business. Even though we are having our own business, we are making good money. After 4 years, of course, we already bought our first brand new car in the Philippines. It's cash, ladies and gentlemen. We never owe any money from anyone. We bought it cash. It's because of Alliance in Motion Global. It's very inspiring. Even me, I was, thinking or looking back my first time or my first day in Alliance in Motion Global. I even think about this already. Yeah, that's why when I got my own or first brand new car, I it's like normal to me, because I said I will get it, because a lot of people are making good money. A lot of people are buying their own car, houses in Alliance in Motion Global. Okay, so after that, of course, I have, I'm doing the business part-time. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'm still doing the business part-time. So those people, especially you, okay, I'm talking to you. If you are working in UAE, if you are working abroad, don't worry. you're not alone. I'm doing the business until now part-time. Okay, I'm still working in Emirates Airline, but that doesn't mean, or that doesn't actually give me a reason to stop this business. Continuously doing the business, I never, I always, of course, I'm still having this hard time to make it balance, like do the business and working. But I told to myself, this is my dream. No one will work. No one will do my dream, of course, me only. Okay, so 2015, I become the top 12, 2016, top 11, and of course, 2017. And right now, I'm the currently top 9 of the company. Yeah, so of course, currently top 9 of AIM Global UAE. Okay, and of course, I'm also part of Global Ambassador and Millionaire Circle of the company. Okay, so I'm sharing you this, guys, ladies and gentlemen, especially those people who are working. Okay, ask yourself right now. Always remember that we are all created by God equally. Okay, it doesn't matter. I'm doing the business long time ago, 6 years already, or even you don't know the business yet. It doesn't matter, as long as you have the willingness to do the business, as long as you have a willingness to change your life and your family life. Yes, you can do it. Yeah, because it doesn't matter what's your situation. It doesn't matter your gender are, as long as you have the reason why. This is my reason why I'm doing the business. My daughter, because I'm going to cry. I've been abroad for the past 10 years. So I was like thinking, I want to go home in the Philippines financially free. I'm having a good salary in Emirates Airline, but when I stop my job, when I resign, my good salary is gone. I want to establish income which will give me an income even though I'm going for vacation with my family, with my daughter, traveling all over the world with my daughter financially free. And of course, I want to inspire people, especially those OFW like me. I know you guys has a reason why you are working in UAE, why you are working abroad for a long time. You want to go home, but you don't have choice, right? You don't have choice because you don't have money. Definitely, we are all employee here, especially right now, pandemic. All the salary, like even me, Emirates Airline is cutting a lot of employee. And praise God, I'm still here. But I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? No one knows what will happen tomorrow. So if you will do the business today, right now, you will not have a fear to lose your job because you have Alliance in Motion Global. You have AIM Global to support your needs and your family needs. So if for those member, if you are still doubting, doubt your doubt, ladies and gentlemen. Doubt your doubt, my fellow kababayans. Because I'm not bragging my salary, but I have a good salary in my company. But that doesn't make me, stop. That doesn't make my head big to stop doing the business, because I know Alliance in Mission Global will give me a big income that I can never imagine. So wake up, kababayans, wake up, guys. If you are member, do the business seriously. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time spending, time, or wasting your time doing nothing. Do the business good. Do the business for your family. And ladies and gentlemen, just to inspire you more, yesterday, I have a downline. This is my downline, which is I invited him through Facebook in the Philippines. This pandemic, in the middle of pandemic, just last September or last October, he just got or completed 1.5 months in the business. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we call I can say a postponed gratification that they will pay you after maybe 4 years of doing the business. This man, his name is AJ Harlero, my first direct, or not my first direct, I mean my first direct in the pandemic, because I don't know the online yet. I don't know online yet that much. What happened is, this guy, he joined October, he completed 1.5 year. In just 1.5 year, he encoded all easy package in the Philippines. He encoded 10 codes already. Okay? And imagine, guys, those members, he is my 4 pair. Just imagine, he is my 4 pair. In just 1.5 month, guy, 4 pair, only 10 people join under him, together with him. I earned 72,000 dirham. I earned 72,000 pesos in just 1.5 year. That is equivalent of 5,500 dirham, and that is equivalent of 1,500 US dollar. Imagine that. So, meaning to say, if you are doing the business, and then, for example, if you have people only one line, do the business. If you are not earning that much, do the business. Make it big, make it grow. Because there comes a time that every time one person join under you, it's only not only one pair, it will be 2, 3, 4, 5 pair. That's why I'm enjoying the income right now, ladies and gentlemen. Last night or yesterday, he encoded 2. I earned 7,000 pesos. Do you like that income? Do you like that income? Only two person join, you make 7,000 dirham, or sorry, 7,000 pesos. Yeah, I didn't even imagine that I will be having income this pandemic season. This pandemic, yeah, it's not a season, of course. Yeah, imagine that. So if you are still doubting, doubt your doubt. Okay, and then don't think that I'm making this big money because I have a group. No, this is my new line. Most of my people like stop because they don't know how to do online, but I never stop. So if you have a reason why, definitely you have a reason why. Always remember the day that you started in the business. Always remind yourself, knock your head, you know. If you have a problem, just put it in the wall. Just put it in the wall, and then do the business. Yeah, share the business, because a lot of people are looking for an opportunity, and then they are just waiting for you to share to them. What if you are the person who will change their life as well? Okay, don't be shy to share the opportunity, because you are not selling drugs. You are not a illegal recruiter, or you are not doing any bad thing. You are sharing them an opportunity to change their life. Share the blessing, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, always remember. Yeah, keep going. Everything you need will come to you at the perfect time. Yeah, so some people will have a good result in this business in just 2 years. Like, for example, Julie, Coach Julie, she become global ambassador, millionaire circle, after doing the business for 2 years. It's fine. Be happy for these people, because these people has a very good reason while they are doing the business. They have no excuses at all. Or if you are doing the business also like us, you are hustling so much, but you didn't get the result that you want, keep going. Because always remember, time is always everything. Time is always everything. Never stop doubting God, what is planned for you. Always remember Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plan to prosper you, not to harm you. Plan to give you hope and a bright future. Meaning to say, God has a plan for you. Don't doubt His plan. Don't doubt His plan, and don't doubt yourself. Okay? Do the business with us, and me, will help you. Coach Lester, Coach MJ, Coach Julie, Coach Alan, the top one of Alliance in Motion Global UAE, is here with us right now, supporting us. Thank you, Coach Alan. Thank you, Upline Alan Pahita, for supporting us all the time. I really appreciate you. We are going to help you guys. All you have to do is to start now. All you have to do is humble yourself. Because why? Sometimes we didn't have we didn't have the result that we want. Sometimes we have a very big ego. Ego is one of the thing that can stop us. Ego that will block us to get the success, to get the good opportunity to us, remove that ego. It will not help you. Okay. So thank you guys for giving me a chance to share and to inspire you. I really love sharing with you guys. I'm so blessed to inspire you people. You can actually message me on my Facebook page, Coach Michelle Cabrillos, and of course to my YouTube channel, Coach Michelle Cabrillos. You can find me anywhere, by the way. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Back to you, Coach MJ.
Yes, let's give a round of applause to our Michelle Cabrillo. Very, very inspiring to all of us. So I hope everyone are get started to this business and also get motivated. All right, guys. If you have a question, feel free to ask. The question open to ask. All right. Let's get started. Are you there? Guys, you can ask anything you want. Thank you all our guests here. Thank you so much for your coming. Also to our international guests coming from different countries. Also to our brother Balance, or our top earner here. Alan Paita in the house. I miss you, Mr. Oh, we have a question, guys. Oh, someone is shouting. All right, we have a question, Mr. Coach Lester. Brother Lester from another mother.
Yes, bro.
Yes.
Wow.
All right. That's why. At least I know I'm not alone here.
Yun, that's amazing. Thank you so much, Coach Michelle, for that amazing, very inspiring, with a lot of goosebumps everywhere. Yan. So yeah, we have, do we have a question, Coach MJ?
Yes, we have a question here, Coach Lester.
What's the
Sir,
question?
Sir Lester, when they will open the office so
Is
we
that
can
really-
buy direct products and package in UAE. I think it's UAE because our topic is UAE. All right.
Is that really for me? The question is really for me.
I just put you.
I've spoken to Ma'am Ira, ladies and gentlemen. They said they are hoping to open the office before the new year. Okay, before the new year.
Wow. All right. Because of that, this is for you, Ma'am Ira. All right.
Oh, we have a question from Mr. Dennis Magtibay. Question for Coach Mitch. Can you tell us more how you are building your team in Sri Lanka?
Oh, actually, Heidi is here, one of my leader. She is the upline of our group in Sri Lanka. Anyway, of course, online. Definitely, we're talking to them online. We are sending the package through DHL, FedEx. Yeah. They are growing. Not only me, Coach Dennis, it's also Coach Lester. I think you have their Coach Lester, right? And
Yeah.
yeah.
In Sri Lanka.
This is how we do from UAE to Sri Lanka. We send the package. And then some of them took the package from Pakistan as well.
Yes. Coach Dennis, we have a lot of Sri Lankan partners who are working with us there in Dubai and UAE, and they are the one helping us as well to connect us to our Sri Lankan team. So we can help you if you want to build your team in Sri Lanka through our Dubai leaders. Yeah, we will just buy the packages from Dubai. Just add the shipment fee, and we will ship through from Dubai package to Sri Lanka. Yun. Coach MJ.
Yes.
Speech,
Wonderful
speechless.
question and wonderful
Speechless
answer.
ka na. Ayun.
My English is already expired.
Me too. I only downloaded few English in the
Yes.
morning. And
You
now,
are also getting younger because your voice is like pagpipinatan in Tagalog.
this is my voice. This
Any
is
more
my
question,
voice
guys?
after a few months in the Philippines.
All right.
Yeah, any more question?
Guys, I just want to clear the package that we presented. It's not including the shipment or shipping going to your
Yes.
any countries. Just for your information. All right.
Yes. So yeah, Coach MJ, I think we don't have questions anymore. So everyone's still with us. So I believe they're really interested to become part of us very, very soon.
Yes. Since no more questions,
All right.
thank you so much for everyone who are attending, especially to our Miss Julian. We are so very grateful, lucky that she's giving time for us to share the opportunity.
Yes.
Thank you so much. It's like the way he talks, like her upline, Miss Tanya Morales. All right.
Yes.
And thank you, of course, to our very supportive here, coming from Dubai. All of you are in Dubai and from the Philippines. And Chito family, shout out.
Yes, shout out to Time Rockets family, Elite Land,
Yes.
and Team Victorious, ano ba, Warriors,
Yours.
all our teams there. Yes.
Yes.
Team
And also
Universe.
still here. Mr. No Sugar is still here.
Oy! Power.
All right.
Falcons.
And balance in the house. Also some,
All right.
Abu Dhabi team.
Abu Dhabi.
You're here.
Yes, Abu
Yes.
Dhabi team.
Ajman.
Yes.
Sharjah.
Balance
Fujairah.
Hansa.
All right. So,
From Qatar. All right, Mr. Alan Pahita
so
in the
Coach
house.
MJ.
New haircut. Mr. Imtiaz Top. Welcome. Thank you so much for your...
Yes. Shout out Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
Coach MJ, I have a suggestion.
My brother Edgar Sopaico are very also supportive.
Yes.
Oh, lovely Abnoy. Ay, Aboy. Sorry.
Bali.
Lovely Aboy. All right.
All right.
Paparilin tayo niya.
After magpaiyak ni Coach Mitch, magpapatawa na si Coach MJ. Baliw.
Galing.
Anyway, so ayan na.
Patay tayo dyan.
A major. Shop to A major.
Oh, Coach MJ. So let's wrap it up. That's it for today.
All right. Yes, thank you so much.
See you on our next session.
Guys, announcement for this coming Saturday, we have special training together with
Yes.
my brother Lester. All right, we will announce the timing. We just finalizing the timing. All right.
Yes.
That our special training. The topic is the real road to success. All right.
All right.
We will be together. All right, in one magkasama. Session. All right.
All right. I'll see you on Saturday.
See you guys.
See
Thank you
you.
so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. And I will now end this in 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye.